we're safaring it.
Yeah, right.
Just to come here and see this was epic. We spent a few hours here today. Explored this really cool dried up riverbed next to these lava flow pylons. We hiked around a little bit and collected a bunch of cool rocks. And just had an amazing time. We got a bunch more to see and we're gonna hit the road.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, because you're riding with Uncharted Destinations. We're making tacos and having a nice drink. We're at the Summer Lake Hot Springs, and it's really nice and beautiful. Look out there, it's like, feels like we're at the beach, but we're not. We're in Central Oregon in the high desert environment. Super nice and super quiet. We've got mountains back here with a beautiful view of the moon coming up. Sunset. A little hazy because of the smoke, the fires in California, but still nice. We headed over to check out the hot springs. It was one of the best hot springs we've been to, next to Willow Creek. Nice.
Honey, look at this. This is just a big rock. This is just a big rock. Look at that. Wow. Put them all together.
Yep.
Right?
There were 3 outdoor pools. The middle one, which they filled after the sun went down. And one very nice indoor pool. If you're looking for a peaceful getaway, Summer Lake Hot Springs is where it's at. Be advised, it's by reservation only, so make sure you call ahead of time. They also have cabins available to rent as well. After 9 o'clock, it's clothing optional. Met some really cool people on our journey.
What's her name?
Peter and Ida. Who are them? 2 French people. The Burning Man.
PG and Caroline.
BG?
PG.
PG. PJ?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh, cheese.
Something.
And this one. Ay, kalamig.
Sounds good.
Taco di Pataranta.
Got tacos cooking. We're slicing some cheese because we didn't have any of the
shredded one.
But I think this will work. First time doing this. I don't see why not.
Yeah. Why not coconut? Many of you might be wondering, Luke, hey, why are you slicing so much cheese in your taco? I happen to like cheese. Lamig
We're
kaayo.
gonna go to those hot springs fat and happy.
Yeah.
It's been an epic adventure so far. It's like just people we've met along the way, and the journey, how we came, the journey that's got us here. It's just taken us to so many amazing places. This whole feeling of like we're at the beach, yet we're not. We're in the desert.
It's very nice.
There's people windsurfing in the desert. This is awesome. Right? Bunch of other things. This hamburger meat is actually really good in top ramen as well.
Yeah.
The noodles, yeah. Dad,
You want one?
no, I'm gonna taco. Yeah,
Okay.
it's gonna be really good.
Oh boy.
This is Outback Cooking 101.
We were cozy that evening and slept well.
Okay.
Alright, so we got a nice early start this morning. We got over an 8-hour drive home, and this will give us time if we want to stop and maybe hit up a river somewhere, you know, maybe stop a couple times. So we're gonna hit it, head back.
We had a great time at Summer Lake Hot Springs. Stay tuned next week as we head to Moab, Utah in search of some ancient dinosaur fossils.